Welcome back with a 3.1 magnitude earthquake that's 78 kilometers north of Culebra, Puerto Rico. Happened at 1:16 p.m. Central Daylight Time to the 62 kilometers, followed by a 3.3 magnitude earthquake that's 86 kilometers north of Culebra, Puerto Rico, at 1:17 p.m. Central Daylight Time and a depth of 58 kilometers. So, with that is it. Stay safe. See you in the next video. Welcome back with a 3.9 magnitude earthquake at 86 kilometers north of Culebra, Puerto Rico. Happened at 1:41 p.m. Central Daylight Time to the 49 kilometers. So, with that is it. Stay safe.